So it's like what a fictional man does better. So I have observed reading a lot of books is when the girl is entering in the room, or the guy has left the girl alone for a while, for an hour or more than that, or a day or something. The first thing when he's returning from anywhere, like the guy is returning from anywhere, or the girl is coming entering the room, or girl is coming from anywhere, okay. So if they are meeting after a while, what the first thing the men will do is, the first thing our fictional man, our fictional guy will do is, he will literally check her, observe her top to bottom, like literally like this, like literally like this. Now the reason behind this is, whatever the period of time he left her alone, like whatever was the amount of time he left her alone for a while or a day or anything, if there is anything he must know about her body, if anything has changed inside her body that he must know, whether any physical injury or anything, you know, our fictional men are just so observant, like they literally observe things, like they're observant, and that's so much manly masculine thing that a man can do, a guy can do, is being observant. Like they are just literally sitting and observing anything. So they're already very observant, but they're extra careful and extra observant for their girl. Now the thing is, this is called a protective glance, or a protective gesture towards their girl. Protective gesture, which is very attractive to a girl. Now अभी के टाइम में हर औरत, एवरी वुमन चिल्ला के बोल रही है कि वी नीड अ मैन हु इज मैस्कुलिन, हु कैन प्रोवाइड एंड प्रोटेक्ट. तो प्रोवाइड का तो समझ आता है कि एवरीवन कैन नॉट जस्ट प्रोवाइड एवरीथिंग, यू नो, लाइक it's a financial situations, and love has no boundaries as the financial conditions. So provide समझ आता है. Protect is this is called protectiveness. अभी आजकल के लड़के आके ऐसा बोलते हैं, किससे प्रोटेक्ट करना है तुमको, किससे प्रोटेक्ट करना है तुमको. अरे भाई, तुमको प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करना है हमको किसी से. वी आर ऑलरेडी प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ whatever country, by the government of India. Right now I am living in India, I am protected by the government of India. हमारे औरतों के लिए बहुत सारे हक, ये वो सब चीज है. अगर हमें कुछ परेशान करेगा, we will call the police and we'll be safe. That is not the protectiveness. How you can show us that you are protective towards us? There are a lot of gestures that can prove that you are protective towards us. Now after that, when we get to know that you're already so much protective towards us, that is so much attractive for us as a woman, and we will be so much attracted towards you. मर्दो, तुम लोग मर्द हो. You are already मर्द, you are already men. All you have to do is be one. जो चीज तुम हो ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड. अच्छा, अगर हम ऐसा एज अ औरत बोल दे हमको प्रोटेक्ट और प्रोवाइड, अगर प्रोवाइड आया, गोल्ड डिगर हो तुम. यस, गुड. तुम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी, हर लड़कियों को ये मेरा मैसेज है, तुम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी जगह पे सुन लिया होगा गोल्ड डिगर. एक चीज मैं आज आपको बता देती हूँ. जो बंदा ऐसा बोल रहा है कि आप गोल्ड डिगर हो, वो बंदे के पास पैसा नहीं है. He is broke. The man who is not broke, the man who is financially in better position, financially independent, financially capable of providing you, and the man who has manly provider mindset, उसको तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आप, अगर आप सच में भी गोल्ड डिगर हो, if you are literally gold digger by any chance, if you are, he will not even get to know कि you are gold digger. उसको तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि गोल्ड डिगर है. क्यों? क्योंकि he has that mindset कि हाँ, मतलब उसने 5,000 रुपये शॉपिंग के लिए मांग ली तो हो क्या, because I'm the provider in this relationship and things like that. तो जो बंदा आपको या किसी भी लड़की को ऐसा बोलता है कि he's gold digger, he is not the man who has provider mindset. Okay, so see you guys. I wish कि ये सीरीज कंटिन्यू रहे, मुझे कुछ नई अच्छी चीजें मिले, and we will talk on that. See you guys. Bye bye.